I've been in this apartment for over 2 months now, and I am still nowhere near organized. So I've got to put some more things together. When you scale down, I'm an empty nester. There's not enough storage, there's not enough shelves. So I've been buying all of these systems that I can put together myself. So I'm not ready to get rid of everything. So I've got to put more stuff together. Here we go. Everything that you order comes in cardboard. And hopefully it's recycled paper cardboard. But it still has to be broken down and carried out to the dumpster for recycling. So that's a big part of what I'm going to be doing. Okay, I haven't sweated that much in a very long time. And I was bending over and sweat was going from my temples into my eyes. Let me just get a tissue. Ah, those aren't tears. Those are sweat droplets. lucky this was not damaged. Love instructions. These are the casters. Yes, I know you're thinking of the Incredible Hulk. Gosh, it says push that in there. It's not saying push it. I need a hammer that in. Push that in. Don't push that in. Are you kidding me? Push the sleeves into the bottom holes. Oh. Okay, I got that, but look at my hand. I got these. No, you need some kind of a tool to do that. I shouldn't have to have a hurt hand to get that little step done. One's locking on the side, one's not locking. Okay. All right, coming together. Okay, something tells me these are the next step. Flat side of washer must fit in crossbar. That must mean it goes like this. Same size. I was thinking they were different sizes, but I guess I'm wrong. Come on. You gotta slide easily. Kind of the whole point, right? Oh, maybe I haven't. Wait. Okay. Well, it's kind of a tight fit. Certainly not going to be sliding out of there. Clip the shelf onto the crossbars, and congratulations! It says congratulations before I'm even done. Ta-da! Well, okay. Gotta say, half of my positions are going to be on rollers for a quick getaway. Ta-da! Okay. Come with me, dear. Let's go into the office. That hurt my foot. connection. I'm not making a connection. Oh goody, I'm almost done. Because they hurt my feet, and I think, why keep shoes that hurt your feet? Why wear shoes that hurt your feet? Therefore, why keep them if you're not going to wear them? Press firmly, or pound, if need be. There's too much of a gap. And this doesn't fit as nicely as the other ones. And it does look like it would be a decent little and it's doing it regardless of which side I do it. You know what, I'm going to have to wire it. I'm going to have to wire the... I am not sending this back. Too much trouble to put it together. I'm not sending it back. Okay, so here's the problem. This is supposed to sit like this, so this is out 1/4 inch. And I am going to have to put some kind of a wire on here to keep it where it's supposed to be. I think I'll wire it from the back so you won't notice it so much. Ta-da! It's good enough. Okay. This is a carpet shampooer. I did not have carpet at my house, but I have carpet now. And I have a cat, a senior cat. This looks like the tank that you put the water in, or the soap and water. Do I have to wrestle everything today? Okay. I have very little space, a tiny little space in my closet to put this. So there's the power cord. Evidently that goes like that. All I'm going to do is open this. This is the shade for my office. This is a custom shade. Before I throw all that stuff away, I probably should go see if it actually fits. Shall I tell you how many times I measured that window? 10? Yeah, at least 10. I've been measuring that window since October. It's May. Yeah. It's a 1/2 inch too big to fit into the set-in part of the window. So it's a 1/2 inch too long. probably 3/4. Meanwhile, I've got to get all of this cardboard to the alley, and I have laundry hanging on the clotheslines outside. It is 6:08 and I'm calling it a day after that. Oh yeah, and then of course I've got to make some dinner and wash my dishes, but other than that, I'm smooth sailing. Thanks so much for watching this channel, liking my videos, and especially sharing them with your friends. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Makeup! Where are you? On set, please. Oh, I'm here. Oh, right. If you enjoyed this video, please watch these. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And I'll see you in the next video.